Memory fades, vision blurs. But what if the secret to reversing both has been quietly sitting in your fruit bowl all along? Every day, millions of seniors struggle with forgetfulness, missing appointments, misplacing keys, or losing track of names that once rolled off the tongue effortlessly. Add to that the frustration of blurry vision, strained eyes, and the fear of losing independence, and it's easy to feel like your best days are behind you. But here's the truth. Your brain and eyes are not destined to decline, not if you give them the right kind of nourishment. I'm here to show you how 3 powerful natural fruits can boost your memory, sharpen your focus, and help repair your vision naturally. They're everyday fruits backed by science, rich in the very compounds your brain and eyes crave to function at their best. There are certain fruits that contain neuroprotective antioxidants that slow brain aging, protect the retina, and enhance blood flow to critical areas of the brain and eyes. Studies from Harvard and the National Eye Institute even reveal that seniors who eat these fruits regularly perform better on memory tests and experience fewer age-related vision problems. So if you've been noticing little slips, forgetting familiar faces, struggling to read small print, or feeling your mental clarity fade, it's not too late to turn things around. With the right foods, your body can begin to repair itself cell by cell, day by day. Before we start to talk about the fruits, I'd love to know, where are you watching from today? Drop it in the comments below so we can see how far our community of vibrant seniors reaches. And if you care about living longer, thinking sharper, and seeing clearer, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone you love. Now, let's begin with the first fruit that scientists call the natural shield for the eyes and the mind. If there's one fruit that deserves the spotlight for keeping your brain sharp and your vision clear, it's the humble blueberry. Often referred to as brain berries by researchers, these tiny blue gems pack one of the highest antioxidant levels of all fruits, and their benefits for seniors are nothing short of remarkable. Let's start with what makes them so powerful. Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, natural pigments that give them their deep blue color. But beyond their beauty, these compounds are warriors inside your body. They fight inflammation, protect brain cells from damage, and improve communication between neurons, the messengers of your memory and thought process. In simple terms, blueberries help your brain stay young and active. According to a study from Harvard Medical School, seniors who regularly consumed blueberries and strawberries experienced slower cognitive decline by up to 2.5 years compared to those who didn't. That means your brain could function as if it were years younger just by enjoying a handful of blueberries a few times a week. Now, what about your eyes? Blueberries don't just stop at protecting your brain. They're also a natural defense system for your vision. Ophthalmologists have found that anthocyanins in blueberries help strengthen the tiny blood vessels in your retina, improving oxygen delivery and protecting against macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. Blueberries are also rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, and manganese, which work together to protect the eyes from oxidative stress caused by UV exposure and aging. Regular intake can help reduce eye strain, improve night vision, and keep your retina healthy. Easy ways to eat blueberries. Add a handful to your morning oatmeal or yogurt. Blend them into a smoothie with spinach and a banana for a brain-boosting drink. Or freeze them and enjoy as a cool, healthy snack after meals. Even just half a cup daily can make a difference in brain and eye health over time. So the next time you're at the grocery store, don't overlook those little blue gems. They may be small, but every bite is like a shield for your memory and vision. Before we move on, I'd love to know, do you already eat blueberries regularly? Tell me in the comments below. And if you've noticed any changes in your focus or eyesight, share your story. You never know who you might inspire. Now, let's move on to the second fruit, a tropical favorite that not only boosts mental clarity, but also nourishes the delicate tissues of your eyes from within. Bright, juicy, and refreshing, oranges are more than just a source of vitamin C. They're a powerhouse of nutrients that help sharpen your memory, protect your vision, and keep your mind alert as you age. For seniors, eating an orange a day may truly help keep memory loss and blurry vision away. Let's explore why. Oranges are loaded with vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that shields both your brain and eyes from oxidative stress, one of the leading causes of cognitive decline and vision problems. As we get older, our cells face constant attack from harmful free radicals that damage nerve connections in the brain and weaken eye tissues. Vitamin C steps in as a defender, neutralizing these attackers and preserving your brain's ability to think clearly. But that's not all. Oranges also contain flavonoids, plant compounds that improve blood flow to the brain and protect neurons from inflammation. According to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, seniors who consumed citrus fruits like oranges regularly had significantly lower risks of developing dementia. That's because better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reaching your brain cells, keeping them active and healthy. Now let's talk about your eyes. The retina, the delicate layer at the back of your eye responsible for capturing images, relies heavily on vitamin C to function properly. Oranges help reduce the risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration, two of the most common causes of vision decline in older adults. The antioxidants in oranges also protect against UV damage and help regenerate other vital antioxidants, like vitamin E, inside the eye. And here's something many people don't know. Oranges contain beta-carotene and lutein, two key nutrients your eyes crave. Beta-carotene converts into vitamin A, which helps you see clearly in low light, while lutein acts like a natural filter, blocking harmful blue light that strains your eyes, especially from screens. Easy ways to eat oranges. Eat one fresh orange daily as a mid-morning or afternoon snack. Add orange slices to your salad for a tangy, refreshing twist. Blend oranges into smoothies with carrots and ginger, a perfect drink for eye and brain health. Or simply start your day with a glass of freshly squeezed orange juice. Just make sure it's natural, not the processed kind filled with sugar. The key is consistency. Over time, the nutrients in oranges accumulate in your tissues, helping to repair damage and enhance the health of your brain and eyes from the inside out. So, the next time you peel an orange, think of it more than just a snack. Think of it as a daily act of self-care, a sweet, juicy way to preserve your independence, clarity, and vision. And remember, my dear viewers, don't keep this knowledge to yourself. If you have a friend or parent who's been struggling with forgetfulness or blurry vision, share this video with them. It might be the first step towards their recovery. Now, let's move to the third fruit, a deep-colored wonder that not only strengthens memory, but can also help regenerate cells in the retina, nature's secret to sharper eyes and a sharper mind. If there's one fruit that stands as a symbol of life, energy, and healing, it's the pomegranate. Bursting with ruby red seeds and sweet tart flavor, this fruit is more than just beautiful. It's one of nature's most powerful remedies for aging brains and tired eyes. Let's start with how it helps your memory. Pomegranates are packed with polyphenols, potent antioxidants that protect your brain cells from inflammation and oxidative stress, two of the biggest culprits behind memory loss and cognitive decline. Researchers at the University of California, Los Angeles discovered that seniors who drank pomegranate juice daily for just 4 weeks showed improved memory performance and increased brain activity, especially in areas responsible for learning and focus.
This is because the nutrients in pomegranates improve blood circulation to the brain, ensuring that your neurons, the tiny cells that help you think and remember, receive enough oxygen and nutrients to stay active and healthy. When blood flow improves, the brain stays sharp, alert, and youthful. Now let's talk about the eyes. Pomegranates contain a unique compound called punicolagen, which has been shown to protect the retina and the tiny blood vessels in the eyes from oxidative damage. This helps prevent or slow down common age-related eye issues like cataracts and macular degeneration. The fruit's high content of vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate also strengthens capillaries and supports tissue repair, keeping your eyes clearer and more focused. Another hidden gem in pomegranates is their anti-inflammatory power. For seniors who experience eye strain, dryness, or blurry vision, this fruit helps soothe inflammation around the eyes while improving hydration and nutrient delivery to eye cells. It's like giving your eyes a refreshing internal cleanse every time you eat it. Easy ways to eat pomegranates. Eat the seeds fresh as a mid-morning snack. They're crunchy, sweet, and satisfying. Sprinkle the seeds over your yogurt, oatmeal, or salad for added color and nutrition. Blend the juice with carrots or blueberries for a powerful brain and eye health smoothie. Or mix them into warm dishes like rice or quinoa for a flavorful, nutrient-rich twist. A serving of just half a cup of seeds or a glass of natural pomegranate juice daily can work wonders for your memory and eyesight over time. Consistency is key. Your body needs regular nourishment to heal and stay strong. So the next time you see this ruby fruit at the market, don't pass it by. Think of it as nature's way of gifting you clarity, focus, and longevity, all packed inside those shining red seeds. Before we wrap up, let me ask you, which of these three fruits will you try first? Blueberries, oranges, or pomegranates? Drop your answer in the comments below. I'd love to know which one you'll be adding to your daily routine. And if you found this information helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone you care about, because good health is always better when it's shared. So, my dear viewers, we've uncovered three of nature's most extraordinary gifts: blueberries, oranges, and pomegranates. Simple fruits with the power to boost memory, sharpen focus, and protect your eyes from the wear and tear of time. But remember this: knowledge only changes your life when you act on it. It's easy to watch a video, nod, and go back to old habits. But every small choice you make from today forward matters. Every time you reach for a fruit instead of a sugary snack, you're telling your body, I still care about you. I still choose health, clarity, and strength. Your memory doesn't have to fade. Your vision doesn't have to grow dim. Your best days aren't behind you. They're waiting for you, fueled by the choices you make today. Over the years, I've seen incredible transformations in people who simply decided to start. Within weeks, sharper recall, brighter eyes, more confidence, more independence, all from giving their bodies what they truly need. And the same can be true for you. So please, don't just watch this video and move on. Take a moment to reflect. If something as simple as adding a few fruits to your daily diet can protect your memory and vision, what's stopping you from starting today? I'll leave you with this gentle reminder. Your body is still listening to how you treat it. Feed it with care, and it will reward you with clarity, vitality, and the strength to enjoy every precious day. If this message touched you, don't keep it to yourself. Like, share, and subscribe so we can continue growing this beautiful community of seniors choosing wellness and longevity. And tell us in the comments, which of these fruits will you start with today? Until next time, stay strong, stay sharp, and keep living with the vibrant energy you deserve.